In level 2, we will be integrating multiple algebraic and geometric concepts in the context of circle problems. In this example, it says circle A is centered at 1, 2, and goes through the point -3, -1. Circle B can be represented by the equation x minus 1 quantity squared plus y minus 2 quantity squared equals 49. What is the difference between the area of circle B and the area of circle A? Well, I want to find the area of both circles, and then difference means I'm going to subtract their areas. So, for circle A, to find its area, remember the area of a circle is pi r squared. I just need the length of its radius. If its center is at 1, 2, and the point -3, 1 is on the circle, that means the distance between those 2 points would be the length of the radius. So the radius, I'm going to use the distance formula, subtract the x's, 1 minus -3 quantity squared plus 2 minus -1 quantity squared, and that gives us 4 squared, which is 16, plus 3 squared, which is 9, the square root of 25, which is 5. So the radius of circle A is 5, and the area, pi r squared, is going to be pi times 5 squared, or 25 pi. Now for circle B, we are given the equation of the circle, and the number on the end is the radius squared. So the radius squared is 49. To find the radius, I would do the square root of 49, which is 7. But we really didn't even need to do that, because if I want pi r squared, I already know r squared. I'll just get 49 pi. And now the difference between the area of circle B and the area of circle A, I'm going to do circle B's area minus circle A's area. So we get 49 pi minus 25 pi, which gives us 24 pi. The next example says to determine whether the point -2, 1 is inside, outside, or on the circle with center -5, 7 and radius 2 radical 10. To do this, we can write the equation of the circle and plug -2, 1 as x and y into the equation of the circle. And if we get something that's less than the radius squared, it's going to be inside. If it's equal to the radius squared, it's on the circle, and if it's greater, it's going to be outside. So I want to start by writing the equation of the circle. The center is -5, 7, that's h and k, and the radius is 2 radical 10. So to write the equation in standard form, x minus h is going to be x plus 5 quantity squared plus y minus k, or y minus 7 quantity squared, equals the radius squared. If r is 2 radical 10, r squared is 2 radical 10 squared. I can square both of these, and I get 4 times 10, or 40. So that's r squared. And that's the equation of the circle. Now I plug -2 in for x and 1 in for y. If I get something less than 40 on the left side, it's inside. If it equals 40, it's on the circle. If it's greater than 40, it's outside. So -2 plus 5 quantity squared plus 1 minus 7 quantity squared. -2 plus 5 is 3, squared is 9. 1 minus 7 is -6, squared is 36, and 36 plus 9 is 45, and 45 is greater than 40. That means that that point is outside the circle.